Breaking news. People must know, and you should know, that Dr. Nomsa Masuku has been arrested. This has been reported by by a eyewitness news. Now, I'm gonna give you more details about this. We're gonna have to explain this so people can understand where I'm coming from and where I'm going with this, right? So, if you remember vividly, there was an accusation against IEC in respect of the manipulation of things, right? And then, do you remember that? If you remember, it's Dr. Masuku, and I forgot the other one that were suspected to have received bribe. Right, you will remember that in Injeche Iabengoni, they accused her and this other person of that, and they issued an official letter. Then you will remember that this woman responded by saying she is going to sue Injeche Yabenguni for a damaged reputation of some sort, right? So we said no problem, we will live with that. We will take that. Okay, fast forward. Injacha Yabengun then responded and say, listen, it's okay if you open a case against us. It's okay if you think that you will take us to court. We are going to prove that you received bribe. We are going to prove. In fact, Injacha Yabengun responded by saying, in fact, we do have an evidence. No. They said, you taking us to court will be an advantage to us because it will give us the opportunity to show the court the evidence that you are corrupt, right? You remember that. That is the letter that I do have those letters, by the way, so I keep them as evidence. So Injacha Yabengun responded by saying, if you sue us, that's actually perfect because it's going to afford us an opportunity to prove our case that you are corrupt. We did not get the response then from Dr. Masuku from IEC and Dr. Masuku from IEC and also the other one. I forgot the other one. Who was the other one? I just forgot the other one as well. So now, if you understand that, you will then understand where am I going with this whole thing, right? Remember that these people said they were going to prove corruption again, that this person is corrupt, right? Now this person has been arrested for corruption. Hey, yeah. Now you will see the connection just soon. Just give me time. But if I ask you to give me your wife, you wouldn't borrow me your wife. Your husband, okay, I wouldn't ask your husband. But okay, if I ask you your wife, you wouldn't give me your wife. If I ask your car, you wouldn't. If I ask your children, you wouldn't. If I ask your money, you wouldn't. Your cell phone, you wouldn't. So why don't you do this? If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, with that being said, remember that I said that these charges are they are related to corruption related charges. Yet Injeche Yabenguni said that we know that you are corrupt. We know that you receive bribe, right? Look, pay attention to that. Look at the connection. Now let's connect the dot. Let's allegedly. Let's try and see this. Eyewitness News reported and said just in Dr. Nomsa Masuku, IEC commissioner, has been arrested for corruption amounting to 1.2 million relating to her time as an employee of Standard Bank. Hey, wait. Listen, let me repeat this one. Breaking news, Dr. Masuku, IEC commissioner, has been arrested for corruption amounting to 1.2 million relating to her time as an employee of Standard Bank. Dr. Masuku allegedly manipulated banks adopt a school trust. Let's look. Dr. Masuku allegedly manipulated banks adopt a school trust program, awarding scholarship to friends and family. Now, I know you said, but Bongs, this arrest has got nothing to do with the one that you are talking about now, the IEC thing. You will remember there's one common thing here. That just one common thing. The common denominator here is that the Injeche Yabenguni said you are corrupt. They said that they know she was bribed. And then here she's arrested for similar for something to similar accusation. And Judge Abengun says we've got proof that you receive, was it how many millions? Here she's said to have stolen 1.6 million. Right there, it builds this current. Okay, so sorry guys, my phone just look, my camera just died. Yeah, the battery died. So I was saying that the problem here is that there is this thing. There's this what is this thing? There's this similarities, right, in the behavior. If the accusation from Inja Jayabenguni can be proven as the truth, you will realize that short of these people all along, they have this evidence, they knew all of these things, right? And if she could be convicted as well of this, it's so funny. It would be something else. But again, there's something as well that we are seeing here, that she was awarding scholarships to friends and family. Yeah. Hey. Ayaya. 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 But again, it raises questions such as, is it not the doing of Injaja Bengoni that has now maybe have people in high places that have proven that no, actually this person is corrupt. We're gonna get her on these charges as well. Because remember this whole thing started as soon as Injaja Bengoni complained. Now, to those that don't understand Injaja Bengoni, they are. And they are part and parcel of the MK party, right? So this then happens at the back where the MK party had complained about her and had said that you are corrupt, right? You've got this and this. And maybe one can also try and look at things from this perspective and say, have you seen how MK Party works and how aggressive they can be in terms of, I'm not talking about the aggression that you are thinking now, the ones that the media is painting MK as the violent party. No, I'm talking about their intelligence department and how they unpack matters. Like today, we got to know how corrupt the IEC is when they brought the evidence that they found. Look, these things here and here and here and here and here and here. Right. It was because of that we got to see that. So I will say, wouldn't it be maybe one associated with the MK party behind the scenes digging deeper on each and every each and every official of the IEC, making sure that they fall one by one, not necessarily through the local, through the actual thing that has happened at IEC, but finding other related things that amount to corruption, and then open a case along those lines, and then persecute them using other method as well, because it is much largely possible. But what we know is that at this moment she has been arrested, and so we will see. I'll keep you posted as we see, or as we follow the development of this whole thing. But I can also, I need to say as well that give credit to Eyewitness News, the local, and their through their official Twitter account. They are the ones who have posted this. Way my daughter, hey, yeah, Jehovah, hey, yeah, ne. This is me now thinking to myself, hey, hey. I'm thinking to myself, yeah. How many more of them are gonna fall? I'm just asking. I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying, how many more of them are going to fall? I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying because it appears like MK Party. They are not. They are not. They are not joking. Those guys. They are not playing. They are not playing those. Hey.